Welcome to the biggest argument of our generation. I have $50 and these two are gonna let me know what to do with it. May the best argument win. All right, Austin, you're up. Make the case for why crypto and sports betting are the best. Go.
Okay. You want inspiration? I got inspiration. Did you guys hear about the Seahawks player that bet $33,000 on the Seahawks winning?
I am putting $33,000, which is every single dime that I have saved, on the Seattle Seahawks winning the Super Bowl. And before you even try to talk me out of it, I've already made the slip, bro.
Wait, that actually happened?
Yep, he put everything on the line. One bet, and he won $16,000.
Wait, that's kind of insane.
That's kind of terrifying.
That's kind of legendary. And it's not just sports betting. You know how much Bitcoin went up in a single year? That's not enough to make your index fund cry. There are people who bought crypto, went to sleep, and woke up millionaires.
Okay, I see the vision. Emily, go.
Thank you. So, the S&P 500, it's the top 500 companies in all of America. Apple, Amazon, Google, all of them. It goes up on average about 7% every year. Put it in, you leave it alone, and it does all the work for you. No waking up in a cold sweat, no stress, you just leave it alone.
That does sound peaceful.
It sounds like a nap.
Okay, Austin. Emily said 7% each year. What's the crypto number?
I mean, it depends on the year.
What's the number?
Some years, it's up about 300%. Other years, it's up about 1,000%.
And some years?
Some years, it drops like 70%.
Interesting.
Okay, so here's the thing. Austin's right a little bit. You can win insane amounts of money from crypto, but you can also lose a lot of money. It takes me like 10 hours to make $200. Do you really want to lose that all in seconds?
Keep your $200. I'll be busy counting my cash.
What about the Seahawks guy, Emily? Didn't he make $16,000?
What about the thousands of people who bet their savings and lost?
You're the last leg of my parlay. Don't fuck this up. I win 600.
We don't talk about those guys.
No, Brandon, we should be talking about these guys. Here's the thing about the crypto story and the Seahawks story. Those are the exceptions. Nobody wins $16,000 in a night except these few exceptions. Nobody posts, I lost all my rent money on a parlay, because that's what happens most of the time.
Okay, but the possibility.
The possibility is keeping people broke, Austin. That's the trap.
Okay, this is getting spicy. Austin, hit back.
Fine, you want to talk about what's keeping people broke? Let's talk about inflation. Let's talk about rising housing prices. Our generation just has been given a harder situation than ever. You want us to wait 30 years and just trust the market?
And I hear that, but does betting your money fix housing prices? Does it fix inflation? Or does it just give you a rush while the apps take your money from you?
Okay, Emily, talk about the platforms. I feel like this is your villain origin story.
Why is sports betting so popular? Why is crypto so addictive? It's not just because people are winning, it's because of dopamine.
Explain dopamine to me.
Dopamine. It's the chemical your brain releases when something exciting happens. You check your crypto and your portfolio's up, dopamine hit. You win a game, dopamine hit. You get a like on Instagram, dopamine. It's all the same cycle.
So my brain is literally addicted?
I mean, potentially. The apps know this. Psychologists develop these apps like they do casinos. They have the confetti, they have the notifications, the free bets. They're all designed to pull you back in, just like they do at casinos.
Okay, but you can say the same thing about any app.
Sure, but these other apps aren't taking your money when you lose. Some studies show that crypto and sports betting can be just as addictive as some drugs. That's not a small thing, Austin.
Oh, that freaks me out a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it is super satisfying. I'm just saying.
Alright, I want to stress test both of you. What is the worst case scenario for both of you guys?
Market crash, like in 2008, you could lose like 30-40% of your whole portfolio.
That sounds bad.
Yeah, it is bad, but historically, the market has recovered. You just can't panic and sell and you'll be fine.
Okay, Austin, worst case for your plan.
I mean, worst case, you lose everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Okay.
Okay, but the difference is the floor. With the S&P 500, the floor is really low. The whole economy would have to collapse before you lost everything. With something like a parlay or a bet, the floor is 0.
That's a pretty big difference, bro.
It's fine.
Great. You guys both made some great arguments. So $50 for dopamine, $50 to invest. I'm gonna take my $50 and put it into some Chipotle.